guys? Today we're gonna be doing a quick video. We're gonna be cleaning up the back of the bike. I really hate the way that these amber turn signals look on the bike, being that this is amber, then you have the red deflector here, and then obviously when this turns on, it's red, and I feel like there's just too much going on. So we're gonna change the housing out. Well, number one, we're gonna put the LEDs out. We're putting LED bulbs in it. And then number two, we're gonna put the smoke lenses on them so it can really clean everything up, and it's gonna look really nice. I'm gonna leave the red deflectors on the side because they don't bother me. I actually do like them. I think they look pretty nice. If you've seen my video on, oh, these are nice. If you've seen my videos before that I've done on the front turn signals, those lights, the company is different. The Lickinson is in the description box below, and then the description for this is gonna be down below. So they're different companies. I haven't used these yet, so we're gonna see. But it came in a small little box right here. Pretty cool, nice and clean. We're gonna see how they are. Then the package comes with the LED bulbs here, as you can see, and then they also put in the box the smoke lenses. So if you're unsure on how to do this, it's real simple for you guys. Anybody could do this. All you need is gonna be a flathead screwdriver. As you can see here on the side, we have this little gap where we're gonna stick our flathead screwdriver. We're gonna pop that open like that. The bulb comes out nice and easy. Push in to the left and it's out. Now we're gonna do the same to this side. Pop the housing out. Just like that. Bulb in, turn. That pops right out just like that. Can't wait to see what this is gonna look like, man. Like little stuff like this clean up your bike so much. A lot of people think that you gotta do a lot of different things to make the bike look really different, and you really don't. Just little minor stuff like this. It's gonna make you stand out more from the riders next to you. Now, as you can see right here, those little grooves, we're gonna put right in there in the slots. Now you're gonna have some slack left over from the wire. So you're just gonna wanna turn it around, turn. All right, so once you curl everything up, you're just gonna put your housing over it. Give it a little push. Popped out. All right, so I gotta be honest. The wire on this one is pretty thick, and it's like really fighting me. It won't stay in place at all, and I don't like that. It's not like the ones that I have in the front, where the wire's real thin and you're just able to wrap it up real quick. Like this kind of just keeps pushing out, and it doesn't let you adjust the lights to stay anywhere. That's not good. Pop it in place. Let's just turn it on real quick, see if that worked. All right, that looks nice. All right, that looks really nice. That's really bright. I like that. All right, so we'll see if we have a better luck with this one here. Gonna put it inside. Turn it. I'm not gonna try to wrap this one up too much, just in case. Jesus. All right, you know what it is? This part right here is extremely hard. It has like a rubber around the wire, and it doesn't allow everything to bend in as much, and that's why it keeps popping out. So I really don't like it, man. I really don't. All right, so we got that in there. Put the housing on. Nope. All right, so we got it in there now. I'm gonna pop the housing in there. All right, now as far as color and brightness, it looks amazing. I really like the way it looks. Very nice. Let me take the blinkers off. We got a right signal. Okay, cancel that out. We got a left signal. Cancel that out. Now, off. Let's see how nice it looks. All right, so we got everything blacked out now in the back. Really nice. It looks nice and clean. Like I said, I'm just not a big fan of the product due to the fact that the wire inside is really hard and it's a little uncomfortable to put this in. It's not as easy as the ones that I've done before. But besides that, I mean, it lights up really nice. It's nice and bright. And I just love the housing, man. It just looks so clean now. I really like the way that looks. It makes the bike look so much clean. Like I said before, I don't mind the reflector. Sometimes people take that off, but I actually like the reflector there. I think it gives a nice little touch. So we got that smoked out. We have the stock rear light that comes with a minor smoked out lens look to it. Not as dark as the other one, but it looks pretty nice, man. I like it. Man, that orange was horrible before. Let me just show you guys how the front ones look here. All right, so we got the front of the bike here with these turn signals smoked out. Very nice. And now we have the rear ones smoked out as well. Very nice. I like it. Also, they also sent me a card with a 1-year warranty. You scan the barcode on it, and it gives you a 1-year warranty. So once you scan that barcode, it kind of registers you in. Pretty cool. Very nice. I'm very happy with the way it looks. Pretty cool. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. Like always, this is my 2020 Lowrider S. We have tons and tons of stuff that we're going to be doing to this bike as time comes. And like always, guys, ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace.